what is the most effective training method? I'll share that with you in a few moments. First, let me give you 3 super effective training methods you can try working in your business right now. First, on-the-job training. This is the oldest of the old school ways to train because it involves people actually doing things that relate directly to their jobs. So this looks like a salesperson doing an actual live sales call with a real live prospect. It looks like an IT technician diagnosing a problem on a real piece of hardware. It involves maybe a grill operator doing a 4-corner press on a juicy beef patty, right? Doing the work. And this is what it's all about. It's why it's so effective, because it's all about doing the thing that they're learning. Second, interactive learning. As the name implies, this means someone is interacting with a thing or someone else in order to apply something they've learned. So classic examples of interactive learning involve quizzes and tests and scenarios and games and everyone's favorite, role plays, right? Yeah, these are really effective because they require critical thought. They require critical thought in order to complete and solve these problems. And critical thinking creates deeper, longer-lasting learning because it requires us to really flex our brain muscles. Number 3, online training. Yeah, you knew this was going to be here, right? So online training, we're talking about webinars, we're talking about online courses, we're talking about videos and research, everything that's done online. These can be really, really good, and they can be really, really, really bad. So really good ones look like options. They look like the opportunity for the learner to choose their own adventure through their own learning experience. When they look really bad, they sort of look like someone stuck in a room for a week doing 17 online courses, and then someone coming in at the end going, hey, how'd that go for you? Right? That's bad online learning. Online learning is super effective when it provides opportunities for choice. Now, you waited for this one. What's the best method? Well, the best training method is an intentional combination of multiple methods. So what you need to do is find out who your learners are. Who are your team members? Find out who they are. Find out what their needs are. Find out how they learn best. And then identify the training methods that will work best for them.